welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this page flip video transition on CapCut PC. Go to menu and go to settings first and go to edit and make sure the image duration for it is 2 seconds. Press save and you're going to add in your pages. I'm just going to zoom in on the pages. Okay, it's going to be cropped, but okay. Anyways, add the video transition by going to transitions, and then you're going to type in page flip or page turning. Just type in page. Then add in your video transition, and you're just going to select the video transition here and apply to all. That is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.